Here's Anthony. Here's Anthony sitting up by himself at 4 months old. Max is barking in the background because he wants to play fetch with him. Max, you crazy dog. Oh! Oops. He's a crazy dog, Grandma. Yes. Anthony. He is such a handsome boy. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi. Hi, Grandma.